Good. Take a deep breath. We found one. All the way out. Good job. Perfect. Forward. Take a deep breath for me. All the way out. Perfect. Good. And the other side.
I heard it crack.
Oh yeah, I felt it crack. All right, Amber. Deep breath for me. Good. Perfect. Let's go face up for me. All right, deep breath for me. And relax. Good. Every time you smell it. One more. Good.
3, 4, so we're going to adjust that manually. We're going to adjust this side here.
Oh yeah, good. Feel that all the way down?
Yes, sir.
All right. That's the ring dinger. And he's still kicking, all right. Now Chuck's had some issues with his eyes and his, oh yeah.
Did some chiropractic orthopedic exams. We found some issue in the spine here, so we're just providing some chiropractic manipulation there. Okay. Relax right in here for me. Very good. Okay, very good. I want you to take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. All right. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Relax right here for me. Good. Very good. Relax the body for me. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. I want you to lay facing the opposite way for me. Top leg bent, bottom leg straight here for me. Excellent. Get right over here. Right in here. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good.
There, but with a bit of force. Right? Don't be alarmed by that. It's not such a big deal. Okay? Do this all the time. Just right here, it's a... That's just hold that into that position.
So we're going to make a correction here. Just let that relax. There we go. Perfect. And there we go. Perfect. Good. There we go. And remember that this is the hip that is rocked backwards, and the short leg, it moves this way. Perfect. How'd that feel?
No? Good. Let that go. Really good. Okay, one more this side. And big breath in and up. Okay.
Oh, Jesus, yes. Oh.
Big breath. Oh, good. Sold out for that one. Yeah. You got enough room over here? Yeah. Okay.
And then I can pick out where I want to adjust, and I'm just going to take a little contact and we're going to push there, and we got a